Alright guys, so this is the first tuk-tuk that I ever rode in, and I want to introduce you to a very good man. This is David.
Yes.
If ever you guys decide to come and hang out with me, David is a wonderful, wonderful guide. He's been very, very helpful and friendly. David is a really good man.
Yes, thank you so much.
Alright, so we're in our first tuk-tuk. Hey, thanks for watching the video, guys. Um, I've been in Phnom Penh for a few days now, and it's been an amazing few days. The food, the people, it's just been great. Apart from the jet lag, but I'm feeling back to myself again, and looking forward to making some videos. I'm gonna try to put out videos every week and get you guys some good shots of the beautiful country here. I've seen amazing things already, and I've only just started scratching the surface. Thank you for everyone who's been with me since the beginning, and I appreciate your patience. But hey, we're here now. Chom rip liha, ingat, peace out.